What if I told you, the largest unexplored frontier isn't located in the far reaches of outer space but right here on our very own planet, beneath the ocean's surface? Indeed, the deep sea represents the final frontier on Earth, a realm that remains largely uncharted and unknown. It's a vast expanse covering more than 2/3 of our planet's surface and plunging to depths of over 36,000 feet. That's nearly 7 miles deep, over 120 times the height of the Empire State Building. Yet, despite its enormity, the deep sea remains shrouded in mystery, largely unexplored and misunderstood. Astonishingly, we know more about the surface of the moon, located some 238,000 miles away, than we do about the ocean floor that lies just a few miles beneath our feet. Why is this so? The answer lies in the myriad of technological challenges that confront us when we venture into the abyss. The deep sea is a hostile environment characterized by crushing pressures, freezing temperatures, and total darkness. It's a world unlike any we're familiar with, demanding innovative technologies and new scientific approaches to unlock its secrets. Yet despite these formidable challenges, the deep sea beckons us with the promise of discovery and understanding. It's an alien world, teeming with life forms that defy our understanding of biology, presenting ecosystems that operate in ways we're just beginning to understand. And there's so much more to discover. Imagine a world where fish glow in the dark, where giant squids roam freely, and where strange, alien-like creatures exist in abundance. That world is not a figment of science fiction. It's a reality, lying beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. The deep sea is a world of unknowns, a testament to the enduring spirit of exploration, and a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our own planet. As we dive deeper into the abyss, we enter a world of darkness and pressure, where life as we know it takes on strange and fascinating forms. In the heart of this immense pressure and darkness, life thrives in ways that defy our understanding. As we plunge deeper into the abyss, we encounter a world that is as alien as it is fascinating. Here the rules are different. The inhabitants of this realm have evolved to withstand conditions that would be fatal for most surface dwellers. One of the most iconic denizens of this netherworld is the anglerfish. With its grotesque appearance and unusual hunting method, it's a creature that seems straight out of a nightmare. The anglerfish uses a bioluminescent lure, a light-producing organ, to attract unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black environment. It's a fine example of nature's ingenuity, turning the oppressive darkness into a deadly advantage. Next, we have the giant squid, a creature so elusive that it was considered a myth until recently. The largest of these cephalopods can reach lengths of over 40 feet, rivaling some of the largest creatures on Earth. These giants have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, a crucial adaptation for detecting the faintest glimmers of light in the deep sea's eternal darkness. But the deep sea isn't solely inhabited by predators. Bioluminescent organisms, ranging from tiny plankton to larger creatures, light up the abyss with their ethereal glow. They use this light for various purposes, attracting mates, luring prey, or even confusing predators. It's a light show unlike any on the surface, a spectacle that adds a touch of magic to this harsh environment. The extreme pressure, the chilling temperatures, the perpetual darkness, these conditions have shaped the deep sea's inhabitants in extraordinary ways. They've developed unique adaptations from light-producing organs to pressure-resistant bodies to survive and thrive in this challenging environment. The deep sea, with all its mysteries and oddities, is a testament to life's resilience and adaptability. It's a world that defies our understanding, yet it's right here on our own planet. These alien-like creatures illuminate the dark abyss, creating a spectacle of lights in the deep sea's eternal night. Beyond the glowing spectacle of bioluminescent creatures, the deep sea harbors unique ecosystems that are as complex as they are mysterious. Dive deeper into the ocean's depths, and you'll come across a world that defies our terrestrial understanding of life. Here in the pitch-black darkness, ecosystems teem with life, thriving on energy sources that are entirely alien to us. One such ecosystem is the hydrothermal vent. These underwater geysers spew out superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's crust. It may sound inhospitable, but these vents are home to an astounding array of life. Tube worms, for instance, can reach lengths of up to 8 feet, feeding off of the sulfur-rich water thanks to a symbiotic relationship with bacteria. These bacteria harness the energy from the sulfur, a process known as chemosynthesis, providing food for the tube worms in a world devoid of sunlight. In contrast, cold seeps are another type of deep-sea ecosystem, characterized by the leakage of hydrogen sulfide and methane from the seafloor. Unlike the hydrothermal vents, the water here is cold, but the principle of life is the same. Chemosynthetic bacteria form the base of the food chain, supporting a community of clams, mussels, and unique species of worms. The deep sea is also home to the largest mountain ranges on Earth, the mid-ocean ridges. Stretching for over 40,000 miles, these underwater mountains create diverse habitats with their towering peaks, deep valleys, and volcanic activity. What's fascinating is how life adapts to these extreme conditions. Creatures here have evolved incredible survival strategies such as slow metabolism, long lifespan, and the ability to withstand the immense pressure of the deep sea. These ecosystems, despite being in the harshest of conditions, are brimming with life. They serve as a testament to life's adaptability, resilience, and sheer will to survive. These thriving ecosystems hidden in the deep challenge our understanding of life and its adaptability. Unraveling the mysteries of the deep sea is no easy task. It requires state-of-the-art technology and a daring spirit. Plunging into the abyss is akin to journeying into outer space, with one key difference: the crushing pressures of the deep sea can be far more formidable than the vacuum of space. Let's talk about submersibles first. These are specially designed vessels that can withstand the crushing pressures of the deep sea. The most famous of these is perhaps the Alvin, a manned submersible that has dived over 4,000 times, reaching depths of more than 4 kilometers. Yet even Alvin can only explore a fraction of the ocean's depths. Next, we have remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, which are unmanned and remotely controlled from a surface ship. They can go deeper and stay longer than manned submersibles. ROVs are equipped with high-definition cameras, mechanical arms, and scientific instruments to capture images and collect samples from the ocean floor. However, controlling these machines from miles above on a ship is a challenging task. And the deeper they go, the more complex the challenges become. Then there are deep-sea diving suits like the gym suit, designed to protect divers from the intense pressures of the deep. They are made of tough, rigid materials and have articulated joints to allow movement, but they are bulky and limited in their range and dexterity, making detailed exploration difficult. Technological advancements have also given rise to autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs. These are unmanned, untethered submersibles that can navigate the depths independently, gathering data and capturing images. However, their autonomy also presents a challenge: ensuring they can safely navigate the rugged and unpredictable terrain of the ocean floor. Despite these technological achievements, the deep sea remains largely unexplored. We have only scratched the surface of this vast, mysterious world. But every new piece of technology, every daring dive, and every discovery pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. Every technological advancement brings us one step closer to uncovering the secrets of the deep sea. Despite our advancements, vast portions of the deep sea remain unexplored and its mysteries unsolved. Yes, we've made great strides in mapping out the surface of the moon and even Mars, but when it comes to our own planet's deep sea, we're still in the initial stages of exploration. Imagine, if you will, the enormity of our oceans. They cover more than 70% of our planet's surface, extending miles into the Earth's crust. But here's the kicker: we've only explored less than 5% of it. That leaves a whopping 95% of the ocean floor still shrouded in mystery. It's like a vast alien world right here on our own planet, waiting to be discovered. Now think about the potential for new discoveries. Thousands, if not millions, of undiscovered species could be lurking in the shadows of the deep sea. Creatures adapted to the harshest conditions, thriving in an environment devoid of sunlight, under crushing pressures and freezing temperatures. These creatures could not only redefine our understanding of life on Earth, but also potentially hold the key to understanding life beyond our planet. Moreover, the deep sea might be home to undiscovered ecosystems, unique and distinct from anything we've ever known. These ecosystems, operating in complete darkness, could revolutionize our understanding of biological processes and interactions. They could challenge and broaden our understanding of what it means to be alive. And let's not forget about the resources. The deep sea floor is rich with minerals and compounds, some of which could be crucial for our technological advancements. We could be sitting on a treasure trove of resources just waiting to be tapped. As we continue to push the boundaries, deploying more advanced technology and braver explorers into the abyss, we're slowly but surely peeling back the layers of this mystery. As we continue our journey into the abyss, who knows what other wonders and mysteries the deep sea holds for us to discover.